Hello, friends. This is episode number 3 of our YouTube series where we do random Webflow things. And this is, I was supposed to do this episode like days ago, but I was starting to feel unwell and just couldn't wake up, and I just like had a sore throat. But we're back into it. We're gonna go straight into it. Last week, what did we do? Let me tell you this. hmm Last week, we started on creating the brand elements for the Shield Guard Webflow template, and we came up with like a typography, some fonts, some colors. What else we? Icons, I guess, and some images. So today we're going to try build some of the components together, and from the looks of last time, where are we? We have an ideas dashboard here. From last time, we deduced from the analyzing the sitemap of different things, different templates. It seems that users would probably have more than one, like templates would have more than one hero section, more than one feature section, and that's meant to give uh, whoever's using it flexibility on what type of layout they want. So we're gonna try something out. Let's see what we got here. Now we're gonna try this. Gonna be bam, and we're gonna create a new page called components, and then we're gonna call this the hero section. Okay, hero section. Give that up the thingy of 112, 28, and we're gonna give this a oops. We're gonna give this a plus Jakarta Sands. Nice. I'm gonna put that here. Now we're gonna let's try the variation var1 maybe, and we're gonna get it going. Okay, nice. So what we're gonna do again first, since we've chosen plus Jakarta Sands, and we've also chosen the color scheme. Now what we're gonna do is create more typography rules so that we can just reference them quickly on Figma, so we don't have to we create the styles. So what we're gonna do now is do this. Let's see, how do we do this better? Okay, I'm gonna take this and then we're gonna go heading 1. Okay, delete this thing first, then we're gonna go to, maybe you're gonna call it typography design style guide typography maybe, or we can just like take all of this and then delete that and then put it down here. Boom 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 boom. Okay, so we're gonna go heading 1, 64 pixels plus Jakarta Sans bold, 64 pixels, 100 line height. I'm gonna go something like that, like this. I'm gonna go 1%. Oops. Why don't we try 150%? Let's see how that works. Does it work? Okay, can. Then we're gonna go here and then we're gonna add this and we're gonna call it heading 1. Nice. And we're gonna go here, heading 2. Let's go do this again. Duplicate that here. And we're gonna give it maybe we're gonna break this, then we're gonna make it down to 48 maybe. Or actually, do you think this should be 48? Let's edit this real quick. 48 pixels, because I remember 64 is quite big. Actually, I like it. Let's leave it a little bigger. 48. Okay, nice. This is gonna be called heading 2. Heading 2. Nice. Now we're gonna go heading 3. Boom. Heading 3. And then should we, yeah, let's take it down a notch. I think I read somewhere that whenever you're changing the can we so I'm gonna call it what's going on? Can I not? Okay, heading 3. Okay, wait, let's do this again. Heading 23, and then we're gonna go with 32 pixels. Let's try to make this 32, and then we are going to make it medium. Okay, let's change these styles to medium. Nice. And then we're going to call this heading 3. Do I need a heading 4? Let's try to do a heading 4 maybe. Okay, for safety, we don't know if we're gonna need it or not, but we're just for the sake of doing it, we're gonna call this heading 4. Nice. Okay, 1 second, and we're gonna make this 24. Should it be 28? 24. Screw it. Okay, paragraph. I'm gonna make the paragraph. So light maybe, and we're gonna call it 16 and 150%. I'm gonna call it paragraph. Nice. And then I'm gonna make this like that, and then boom, and then boom. This is for the paragraph. Oh shoot. Not regular. Light. I'm gonna make it light. Okay, because light is two font weights away from medium. And make that happen, and then make it 16 pixels. We're going to add this and make it a paragraph, right? And then this is, we don't have to do this per se, but like this just makes the flow a lot easier for me, as I've recently discovered. So we are just gonna try this out. So blah 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 footnote. Nice. Now we're gonna take all of these things, just make it a little more interesting. Put it there. Nice. Now the color scheme, let's try to do something like this. Let's see. I kind of like the color scheme that we came up with last time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try something. So this is kind of like the black, and this is kind of like the blue. So let's take this color and add it. Oh shoot, wrong. I'm gonna add it to be like primarily blue. Damn. Okay. Create the style first. Let's call this like let's call this the black. Nice. And then call this the white. Okay. If we come up with more colors later, I think we can give it a try. So so now we have all our colors and our icons. I think we're good to go. I don't think, do we have any more? Effect, grid. No, we're good to go. I think I would usually just start with these as a foundation, and then move on to the different components later. So I think first we have the first variation of the hero section, which is the the first variation is this. Maybe we can go with like maybe hero 1 white BG, and then this one could be hero 1 black BG. Primary BG. I don't know what I'm doing actually. Like I don't think we necessarily have to make all the color variations. And why is my colors not showing up, my friend? Oh, it's because it's document colors. Let's see if it's local colors. We can go bam, like oof. Oh, we're getting somewhere nice. Looking great actually. Let's see if we can do that. Yes. And then we can be like dark. Okay. Oh no, there we go. That's the thing I'm looking for. So let's go back to the style guide, and like let's primary, and then call this dark, and then call this light. Yes, there we go. Now what we're gonna do is go components, see variation 1. We came up with one style. I think we just borrowed the layout idea from Reloom library. Let's go to other references and just trying to see what we can do. I think we already chose a few references here. Let's go with the left and right. Let's see if that kind of works. I think so. What I'm gonna do now is going to this, and then I'm going to this, auto layout this. Okay, and then okay, so we can call this hero var 1, right? And then just call this the title, and then this is the we don't need to name it. Okay, great. Now we're going to sections. Yeah, there we go. I know naming is a controversy recently, but Again, I don't care. Like, I just want to do it. Like, I don't want to like deal with drama here and there. Let's try to make this into a side to side. Okay, so first, what do? Do this. Then what do? Do this. And then we make everything left lined, and then okay, nice. And then I think what we can do is take these columns, image, and then make this into fill container so that it's more like that. Nice, this is looking great already. Damn, we only just changed a few we just changed a few auto layout options, and it already makes something pretty nice. Okay, we're gonna try to change this into like a primary, and then we're gonna change this into a dark. Okay, so now with the primary, we're gonna change the color scheme. So we're gonna take this and then make it white, and we're gonna to directly copy this and put it up here. Actually, there is a pure white, so we're gonna add the pure white here, then call it white, just for the sake of it. And then what we're gonna do is take this column and put it here like that. Now, it's looking great already. Let's I'm gonna call it primary BG and dark. Okay, take this and then sections, and then var2 maybe. Nice. var1. Actually, we can come up with more. Like, it's all just about playing. So let's play. Okay, nice. So it's a little bit shorter than most things, but I think it's fine. Let's keep going. Keep this random, like just random moment of inspiration. Keep it going. Let's see what else we got. So we can have no, that's the same. That's similar. We have it on the left. Let's just try to. Let's see. Let's look at other references. Let's not limit ourselves. And what else we got here? Do we have anything that can help us out? 1 second. Doggo wants to go out. Okay, what we're gonna do is find some noise layouts. But it's pretty much the same, unless we can do something like this. Okay, I saw this thing. I kind of like it. Of course, we're not gonna make it too out of the box as it is already, but we're going to use this to make things a little different. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna center align the image. Take this away first. Okay. Oh, it's already done. Okay, nice. Now we're going to reduce the size like that, and then we're gonna add the center align text. Oh, but that looks exactly the same as the top one. Oh. No, that's not good. Okay, try something else. Because I'm afraid that the text at the bottom, like behind the image, can't be read by our audience. So let's just try to look for something else, maybe. Okay, well, we can try like what is this? A full. Can we try that? Actually, let's try this. Okay, let's try to first take this out, and then I'm gonna export this as a JPEG so that we can use it as a background for this thing. Nice. Image.jpg, my favorite name. Okay, we're going to fill this in with a image. Boom. And choose an image. find our lovely image.jpg. Boom, like that. Nice. Okay, then we're gonna give it a little black, and then we are going to add the light color, I think, or the white color. Okay, now this is, it's not looking that readable. I think let's just give it a try first. Everything's about trying in design, right? So let's make this into a fixed height. Oops. Oh, it's looking pretty mighty fine already. Nice. Let's see, let's try to make it, oh, let's try to edit the heading. I'm already kind of seeing the heading. It's a little too oh shoot, it's already too, like, it's just too much spacing. Let's try to, oh shoot, that looks good. Let's try to make it 72 or something like that. Yeah. Why is the, let's try to like fill container maybe, or like fix width, then give it like a divided by 2 or something. Maybe not divided by 2, divided by 3. Oops, that didn't work. Boom. Let's try to boom, 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 boom. It's not readable. Maybe we are gonna get rid of this, and then nice. Now we can do that. Let's go back to our local styles and just kind of fix the line height, just because like it's too big. Let's see. Nice. And then heading 4, we're still gonna give a little like 110%, but then for the paragraph, I think it should be okay. Let's take a look at this and give it a paragraph. Yeah, it looks fine. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna give it a paragraph, and then we're gonna give this a heading 1 and heading 1. Okay, and we're gonna give this heading 1, heading 1, heading 1. Nice. Okay, maybe we hug. Oh no. There we go. Oops. Just make it 2 lines, 3 lines, a little bit awkward, I think. And then for this, we're gonna give it a paragraph, like that. Alright. And then that should be, it's looking good. Okay. So now for this layout, it's a little bit limiting because you can only do so much with the heading, and that just leaves the paragraph out. So like, let's say for example the user were to add like a paragraph suddenly, I think it's fine. It does look fine. It just needs to be not as busy. Just worried a little bit about readability. So what we're gonna do is take what we're gonna do is take an image, like a more minimal image, I guess, maybe like this, and then take it here, put it on the boom, put it in the boom. We're gonna boom, and then we're gonna 140 and 124. Nice. Oh shit, what am I doing? Okay, let's download this again. Where is it? Style guide. Just need a more minimal photo because that one was too busy. Maybe we go with this one because these ones have a little negative space. We can make use of the negative space there. Okay. Boom. Export that baby into JPEG. Alright. And now we're gonna go components. Change the image to maybe a rectangle 8. Oh, looking good. Good looking. Let's try another image. Let's see if it looks good with a paragraph font. Yes, it's looking great. But I don't know how to. The thing about templates is that you have no control over how the user uses it. But you need to. I'm just worried they're gonna choose like a very busy photo and then like it's gonna affect the readability. But I kind of like how this is working. Let's just do a third, like let's do a third thing. Oops. Let's give it a fixed height of, let's say, 1024. Move this and then add another one again. Let's try to find like a style guide. Let's see. Something that's relatable to. Let's go with this one. Screw it. We're going to export this as a JPEG one more time. Okay, I'm drink some water. Why do I feel like it looks good? Let's just keep it. So basically, we want to have like, if we were to give like a. This looks great, even though it's like flipped upside down, but doesn't matter, yo. Whatever floats the boat. Let's call this like a background image or video. Okay, and we can call this a horizontal. Okay, and then let's call this one. Okay, nice. Do we need more? Let's use the next 5 minutes to decide whether we need more layouts. Because pretty much if you go inside Inspire and just look for specific things, it's pretty much the same. Like, it's pretty much the same layout. We have like a left or right layout or like up and vertical layout. And it's just about like what images can be applied on the side to make it more interesting. Let's try to look for Webflow templates and then see what they have to say. Haha. Join. Let's continue with Twitter, I think. I've seen somebody use Savvy, and I want to use Savvy, so oops, that's fucked. Google. Let's just try to explore a little bit. Is it already kind of special? Okay. I want to do something like more like typographics, if that makes sense. Something more edgy. Let's make this into like a 128 maybe. And then we are going to left align this. And then give it a fill container. And then give the container a fill container. And then give this a left align. And then give this a left align. This is a bit too big. Let's try to reduce it to 96. And then boom. Yo, this is looking mighty fine. I just don't want to make the image itself, like, it looks a little too similar to the one on top. So what we're gonna do is change it up. And var1, var4, huge typography, huge headings, plus horizontal align, I guess. Boom. Then we're going to, I don't know why this is to the, okay, there we go. Oh shit. Okay, then make this into a heading like that, and this one to a dark like that. Make this into a light color, and this one we're gonna give it a text color of like white, and this one font color of blue. Is that what we did? What did we do last time? Let's just copy from here. Boom, boom. Let's call this the button frame. Nice. Boom. Then we're gonna give this a white. Okay. This is nice. Let's see if we can edge it up even further, give it a little less line height. Oof. 95. Damn. We're crossing the boundaries of web design, my friends. Let's see, what else we got? No, it's pretty much the same. I always wanted to try like a round corner, like round corner thing. So let's do that now. Oops, delete this, and then we're going to go here, and then call it round corner. Okay. So what we're gonna do? Take this guy out for a bit, and delete this guy. Give this guy a round corner of maybe 24, not too much, maybe 32, maybe. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is give this a height of 1024 because that's the standard pixels, and then fill container. Okay, so now we got this, and now what I want to do is put this guy, put the title in here. Give this a absolute positioning, give it center positioning, and then make it white or white. Let's experiment later. What we're gonna do is align that to the bottom, I think. And now we are going to expand the width of this so that it looks like that. And why is the height like that? No idea. Let's try to put this into a frame like that actually, and then keep this heading absolute positioned again so that it's easy to deal with here. Now what can we do? Maybe give this like give this a text, and I don't want it too wide. Oh shit, not this. I don't want it too wide. Let's give it a divided by 2. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. Now why is this var 0? Can we do that? Yeah. Now this one, let's try to reduce the amount of, is it like that? That works. Now this is because it's fixed, so let's try to like make it like that, and then 64 maybe. Oh, there we go. That looks like something. And then put that down there. Oof. Is this nice? I don't know. Let's try to make one with like with both the text. Oops. Okay, now we're gonna give it a white. Then we're going to want to, so that is 32 pixels away. Does this work? Editing text. Okay, let's try to give it more padding to make it look good, and then we're gonna try to. What I was thinking is like, once users scroll down, I've seen this effect millions of times. What it would do is just it would like, I want it to kind of, let's remove the auto layout first. What I want to do is as they scroll down, go from round corner and then just move up like that. Oops. And what the heck? Let's remove the auto layout first. Okay, so once it scrolls down, so like let's call this the hero 1 initial state, and then what we're gonna do is hero 1 scroll down state, and we're going to, once it, ooh, can we animate this? Let's try. Actually, I want to use the Figma like prototyping skills. So let's kind of just go like that, maybe like that, and give it a 0, and see what happens if we let's prototype this. Click. On click maybe, and then we're gonna give it a smart animate. Let's see if the only time I use prototyping in Figma. Okay, I'm gonna click this and let's see what happens. Boom. Oh, that was very uneventful. Now why? It's because this one still keeps its there we go. Well, it's still there, it's just too subtle. So what I probably want to do is make it ×4 or something like that. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Let's this is what I like. Oh my gosh, this is great. Okay, this is what I like. Just give it a more border radius, make it obvious, and bam. Is that too obvious? Is that obvious? Let's try to move this up a little bit. Oops, what did I do? Give it a... Yes, and then let's try to mess around with the easing. Let's do like a gentle. I don't know what that is. Boom. Oh my gosh. Dude. Okay, wait. Now, why is there like a... Okay, let's do that. Dude, this is great. Boom. Wow. Let's do it. I love it. I love this already. Nice. Okay, so are we going to make variations of this? Would variations make our life worse? Yes. Let's see. Move it over here. Boom, boom, boom. Then to the right. And we're going to change this. So this one first goes to the primary color, and then this one goes to the dark color. And the text needs to change. Oh, wait a minute. Let's change that. Nice. Now, is this what? Oops. Okay, we're gonna do that. I think like doesn't really matter if we change the background color. So let's leave it white, and then we're just going to have this. The thing is, we need variations, so I'm wondering if we need to come up with other do we need to come up with other variations of this hero section? That's the thing. How do we do it? How do other people do it? Let's see how they do it. Or what we can do, I just came up with a thing. Let's oops, boom, boom, and then we're going to bam like that. We're gonna go like that. Shit, that doesn't work. 20. Circle. Okay, so what that means is we're going to make this into a perfect circle. Let's give it 800 by 800, and we're going to give this a corner radius of 100,000. We're going to center it, and then now the text is not readable. We're going to change this into a color that is blue. No, its primary looks okay. Actually, what we'll do is boom, boom, and why is it not coming in? Okay, we're going to change this into the primary color, and this one into the dark color as usual. And I think it might need to be bigger. Let's see. Boom, like that. 878, a great round number. Oops. Okay, nice. Let's make it 840 by 840. Just because I said so. 840, 840, then align it, and then align it. Now the white one obviously we're gonna have problems here because it's white. No, it's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. What does that mean for us? Why can't we do this? Or what we can do instead is reduce that like here, and where's the text? Just make it into like a dark, oh shit, not this, a dark. Nice. It's looking kind of looks kind of awkward. Can I get a kill? Make it last forever. Let's reduce this size, maybe like that. Why is the line height so big, man? Oh, it's because this. Anyway. I don't know what's going on, man. Let's remove this and put it down here. Oh, can we go something like that? Maybe? I said I'm about to go to war, and I don't know if I'll see you again. Okay, 100%. That's looking nice. Feasible? I don't know. Responsive? I don't know. Let's reduce this to like a heading 3 maybe? No way. Try to do is reduce this monstrosity. Well, where's this bottom line height coming from, man? Damn. Oh, damn. Now, does this need to be? I kind of like where this is going, but just don't know how feasible it is. How about if we change the how about if we change the color I like this one. Let's try to change the image into this one, and then rotate it by like Do that. Boom. I'm gonna change this into the light color, and then forever gonna make this into the dark color. Does that work? Let's leave it for now. And what I have in mind is that the scrolling, the main idea is the scrolling interaction here. So far so good. I think we're getting places. Unfortunately, today we've only come onto the hero section. I feel like there's a lot more that needs to be done, according to the sections page. So we have the hero. We have like a lot of sections to design. So let's leave this for now, and then what we're gonna do is, in the next episode we are going to do the features section, and then we're gonna do the about. What else we got? We're gonna come up with all of this, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope it wasn't too boring. Understand my design process and all that when creating a Webflow template. Honestly, I haven't made a Webflow template before, as you can see with this, but I'm kind of liking how I'm spending the time to explore design and just figuring out how to do things from Figma to Webflow. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. That's the last thing that I want you guys to do after watching this video. Peace out.